Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix USB to HDMI adapter not working on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, this is a very common issue among USB to HDMI adapter users. And to fix it, there are a few basic steps to do. So, just follow me. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your window icon here, right click on it, then just click on Device Manager, and you'll find this window. You can just expand this. Now, in here, I don't have an option here. There will be a section called Other Device. You need to expand that section. It will have your USB to HDMI adapter. After that, just right click on it and click on Update Drivers. And another thing, after that, what you need to do is go to your USB bus controller or Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Just expand this. In here, you'll also find your USB to HDMI adapter. Let's say this is the one. This is not actually the one. Let's suppose this is the one. You should see yours there. Just right click on it. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, you don't have to do anything. And if the best drivers aren't installed, it will install it for you. Just click on Close. Then just click on Action. Then just click on Scan for hardware changes. And then just close this. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your USB to HDMI adapter should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix USB to HDMI adapter not working on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.